First of all, I would like to thanks to everybody, the people you invited me here to speak English or to say something about the batch or about the things. As just before just your batch, right? I was not here. Generally, I teach in sector 22, Noida, not here in sector 27. But just I spend with you only approximately 10 to 15 days. But you people are amazing, and I would like to have a clap for everybody. And you all people are very supportive as well as professional, and many things we people teach you right here, me and Ravinder sir and Harender sir, but also we learn from you, right? You people are very professional. Just if I talk about your backgrounds, right, somebody has done engineering, somebody has done BA, MBA, all people are very professional. So as well as you taught us so many things, as we taught you English, right, as you taught the many things, right? So because we can learn from anybody. I am a teacher of English. I have been teaching English for 10 years plus, but I am as a student always. I consider myself as a student, right? I have spent many years, teaching English. But the thing is that I never consider myself, a good speaker and a good teacher. I keep on learning myself also. So the batch is going to finish, right? This is your farewell party. But in your mind, it should not be, ending. Because learning has no end. Learning is the endless process. More you learn, more you earn. More you learn, more you get the things, whatever you want in your life. It is said, your learning is an engine of your earning. Your learning is an engine of so many things. As I am a speaker of English and I am teaching, so I learned from anybody. You people are learning here, and this is the best platform. I became teacher, right? And now I am a teacher as you people are students, right? I was a student of American Institute, and American is the brand of spoken English. It's spread over 500 plus cities all over India. It's been 30 years plus, right? It has been giving its quality, and this is the best, largest and oldest, right? So keep on speaking, keep on learning. And I would like to end my things with saying few sentences, as in very first class or in starting classes sir taught you, and sometimes I also taught you, or I said to you. The first thing is, speaking comes by speaking. So you people are gonna leave this batch. Some people will come, some people will not come after this farewell party. So keep on speaking. Do not stop your speaking, because speaking comes by speaking. So first thing you should have in your mind, never forget this point. Speaking comes by speaking. Listening is the part of speaking. You have to listen. If you are speaking with anybody, so definitely you are going to listen some sentences. You are going to listen to them. So listening is the part of speaking, and repetition brings fluency. These three sentences are gonna help you a lot in your communication, and you will be a fantastic speaker of English. So keep on speaking, and thank you very much for listening to me. Best of luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.